Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday, and even this week we're still experiencing load shedding. So I'm expecting things to be like back to normal. Actually, about the live session. So I'll just make this quick so that I can able to upload the video as soon as possible. But it seems like the market is trying to reject. Remember, this week we have enough economic news that might affect the market, or we're going to see some enough volatility. So you should know about that, because that is also one of the things that move the market fundamentals, by the way, if you don't know about them. So before continuing, check here. Still check the contacts. You can just WhatsApp me if you want to join the team. Remember, I still gave people a chance to join from 500 rand, actually 500 rand, that 3 months special, 3 month mentorship. Or if you are from outside, that should be $30 to join that 3 month mentorship. If you want yearly 12 months mentorship plus those signals, then you're going to pay only $100. If you are in South Africa, I think it's 1,600 somewhere there. Then you can let me know, because actually I want 20 people on this yearly mentorship, and actually 30 from the 3 months mentorship, because I want a number that I can able to manage very nicely. You see, I don't really need like 100 people at once, so I need a seriously limited number so that everyone can be taught nicely and understand everything nicely. So without wasting your time, let's jump straight to Bitcoin. Bitcoin tried, actually, you can see, first thing first, you can easily see that yes, the market is on a downtrend. I hope you can see that. So what's really happening here is, if I can zoom very nicely close here, you can see that yes, the market was trying to push the upside, but guess what? Now the market is trying to go down. Is this because of maybe inflation? Actually, I think it's on Wednesday we're gonna have CPI, core CPI. Is that because of that or something else? I don't know, but what I know is, yes, the market seems to be respecting what? Our resistance line, which has been there for some time, and I've been repeating that, which makes my job very easier to say, you know what, whatever that we're trying to follow here, it's working, because ever since the market started here around the 1st of April, the market was going down, and I used to say, I repeated the same thing, that the market is going down. Even today, the market is still doing that, maybe 2 months later. You see, simple as that, because we follow the trend. The trend should be your friend. This is going down, simple as that, you see. So yeah, I hope you understand that. So I'm still bearish actually on Bitcoin. I hope you can see that the market is still going down. So, but the market did not actually reach our resistance there. Maybe if we try to draw something like that, maybe the market will be respecting around that area. You should also do that for yourself, guys. I'm just giving you like a quick update on these things. So I'm hoping to resume the live session today, the live sessions today. So when you see the lines not loading, I'm using a very poor network now. My fiber is down. I think they're still fixing that. You see, it's loading very slow. Actually, it's MTN, by the way, so they're very, very poor, unfortunately. So what's really happening here? On German, we can easily see that yes, we are still on that downtrend. But what's really happening here is very nice, because the market is exactly on the resistance. So which means I'm expecting actually the market to respect this area and push lower, or maybe the market will break that area and push the upside. I'm expecting those two to happen. You see, simple as that. So I don't really need to guess. The market will show me. If the market will break this area, it's gonna be way straightforward. We will see the candlesticks closing above, starting to push up, and we will know very well that yes, we're supposed to do what? to jump in the market. Please, guys, if you are not subscribed, smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So there is a chance that the market can still respect this area and move lower. Actually, since the market is not breaking that area, it means we are still bearish. We are still bearish currently until something happens. But if that doesn't happen, it's still fine. We're still on a nice downtrend, a very nice downtrend. We don't really have to complicate our job. As I told you guys that my network is bit very slow. Let me see. I'm using a free host currently. I'm using a free host, but it seems to be way too slow. Let me just post this video so that it is not very long. Let me just post this video. Yeah, so we are on gold actually. Guys, never mind. Actually the network is very slow here. I don't see if maybe my service provider is not back before like 3:30. It means still we're not going to go live, as this MTN things are very slow. So yeah, what's happening on gold? We can see that yes, this thing is like seriously downtrend. The market is actually bleeding on this thing. So if we go closer, but at least I already told you about these areas. If maybe you did check my previous analysis, you already know about this area. We were smashing the market the time it was going down, and even these candlesticks, guys, we did not miss that. We were able to enter around this area. Even here we did enter. So the only thing that we were waiting here is for the market to break out of this area, as the market was doing what? The market is actually consolidating. And I think the market did touch our order. Yes, sometimes we do lose. Sometimes we do lose. We don't have to hide from that. The market touched our buy pending order, then came back. Obviously, we were out. But I like the fact that we've been selling this thing. So even if maybe we lost a little bit, that's not really that much. So what I'm expecting here is on gold, I'm expecting the market to break to the upside or maybe to break to the downside. So after that, I will just say I will take a sell or a buy, because now I can't do anything when the market is ranging. The market is actually just going up and down. So which means I'm not supposed to be like to participate in the market when the market is ranging like that, you see. So let's push the next one. I'm hoping that now it will load very quick, because these networks, guys, they are very slow. So plus it's Monday, so we don't really have to fight the market on Mondays like this. So what's really happening on US oil is, yes, the market is still on that bearish move. Remember, the market was going up nicely, and the market then broke out, moved to the lower side. Now we see a very nice retest. From that area, it seems like the market is respecting this area and is trying to push lower. And I also showed you actually yesterday on my weekly analysis that yes, the market might respect that area and start to push the lower side, and we see that happening, and which is very nice. I see that the market just came and retest around that area where the market just broke out. Now we see the market pushing lower and lower. So but for us to say maybe we're gonna jump on that sell, we can do something like this, because we are smart, we understand what's really happening. We can see that the market created something like this. You can see that this is an area and the market is coming around this area. So it means there is a possibility for the market to do what? To start to range from these areas, and we should be aware of that. We should be aware of that. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw something like that. And you know what? It means for us to say we're going to sell, it should be around that area, below that level. It's where we can say, you know what, guys, we can sell around those areas. But currently, why we say we need to sell? Because since the market just broke out of this, I'm expecting a downtrend. The market is changing the trend to the lower side, so which means the market might continue with that move. So I'm expecting the market might still range, then after breakout and start to push the lower side. And also it's possible again for the market to push the upside. That is also possible. There's nothing wrong with that. If that happens, it means we're going to change our mind and say, you see what, yes, the market did break out, and now we think that the market is about to push the lower side or to create a downtrend. the market change the direction and push the upside, which is normal, by the way, but we just need to be aware of that when it happens so that we can be safe. Yes, guys, we do make enough money, but yes, we also lose sometimes. So when you lose, don't fight the market. When you lose, don't fight the market. But the question is, are you consistent in the market? If not, it means you need to seriously learn. You need to seriously learn something in the market, because without you learning some great stuff, it means that you're still going to do or repeat the same mistakes. Now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? We can easily see that yes, the market is actually wedging here. The market is creating this structure as a wedge. You can see that the market is playing around this area. Yes, on Friday, I think it's Friday, we had a buy pending order which was touched. The market never pushed up, and now I can see the market is pushing down. Obviously, we lost that, but I know that we did smash nicely around this area. Previous days, we did eat nicely. You see, we did smash nicely. Even on NASDAQ, we did eat. Simple as that. So what's really happening here is, yes, we can easily see that the market is actually trying to wedge, and sometimes it's going to be difficult for us just to jump on the market. Rather, we better wait for the market to reach this area as a resistance or maybe the support, then we can start to take that decision. But when the market creates something like this, sometimes it's much better not to participate in the market. Rather wait for the market to break that resistance, then we can say maybe the market will push up, or to break this support area, and we'll see the market will be going to the lowest side. It's much better not to participate here. But I know there is people who just want signals. There's people who just want signals, and that is their problem. It's their problem, not our problem. So try to be like to have that discipline and wait for the breakout, because here sometimes the market will just end up confusing us, and at the end of the day we end up losing our precious funds, you see. So let's push the next one. Remember, guys, if you want to join the team, this is a limited number. I need only, if you are in South Africa, it's 500 Rand for that 3 months mentorship. It's a mentorship, something that will help you to learn. You know, you've been losing more than 500 rands. So 3 months for you to learn, I think it's much better. I think that is the amount that I can go. Another, if you are maybe from a different country, that $30 is much better for me. But remember, it's only 30 people that will join with that price. Then if you want yearly is actually 12 months, which means you can join that actually by $100. You can do the conversion if you are in South Africa or maybe a different country. So that is 12-month mentorship plus signals, which is great because you can get that. But on this number, I'm only looking for 20 people only that will be limited to join the team. Then after the price, it's actually 150, guys, because that is my time. It's my precious time. So if you can afford that, I'm sorry. Next time you can join that. Maybe next time you can see what you can get. So on NASDAQ, actually, what's really happening on NASDAQ, we can easily see that yes, the market was on a very nice selling spree or on a downtrend. The market was going down nicely. Guess what? That resistance was broken. Now we expect the market to do what? To push to the upside. But still, there is so much stuff going on in the market that might make the market to reject whatever that's happening. But currently what I see here is maybe the market, this is the first resistance that we have actually, or the higher high that we have. I don't know if the market will start to range around that area, but I think the best thing that we can do is to wait for the market to open. Yes, the market can still push up from this area or create something like this, or maybe the market can even break this area and push the upside. But it's much better when we trade when the market is open. Currently, the market will be very slow. It's quite actually pre-market, so it's better to wait for the market to open. Yes, the market can do that, but even the opposite might happen. The market can still go lower. But since the market broke out of this resistance, I'm expecting the market to do what? To push up, because when the market actually breaks the trend, we say the market is actually changing the direction. You should know when that happens. If we're looking for a sell since before here, it means now we no longer look for that. It means now we're gonna look for what? For the market to push the upside. Simple as that. So it means that currently we're just waiting for the market to give us the nice area where we can start to do what? To buy. But yes, the market can still do what? The market can still go lower, especially on Wednesday. There's a core CPI. If the numbers are very high, just know that we're gonna see NASDAQ going down. If the number is gonna be more like, check on your economic calendar. If the number is gonna be plus whatever, then we're gonna see the market going down, and that is not going to be good actually for the market. That is not going to be good for the market. It seems like the network is gone again. I don't know. So yeah, something like that. So I hope maybe you understand. If you want to join the team, you know what to do, guys. You already know what to do. So yeah, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, share with your friends. For those who want the contacts, just check the contacts there. You can just talk to me from that. So simple as that. Please, guys, I'm hoping that maybe this week we will resume with our live sessions. But the load shedding is always here. And actually, from yesterday, I had the problem with my network, but there is not really much issue because I think they're gonna solve that very quickly. The problem that is still persists here is the load shedding, which means obviously I have to do something about that. I have to get the bigger UPS and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that like, subscribe, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.